In today's video, I will show you on how to calculate reinsurance premium for non-proportional. There are two ways, or there are two methods how non-proportional reinsurance premium is being calculated. The first method is called fixed rate method, and the second method is called variable rate method. First, for today, I will show you how to calculate reinsurance premium using the fixed rate method. So fixed rate method, the reinsurance premium rate, so we are looking for the rate in terms of the percentage. So this rate is based on previous year losses data. So what happened is, let's say we have a treaty for 1 year, which begins on January and the treaty ends on December, same year. At the beginning of the year, on the 1st of January, insurer is required to pay or to place a deposit premium with the reinsurer. Okay? So we need to find out how much is the deposit premium. So in order to find the deposit premium, you need to find the rate times the estimated GNPI from the previous year. Once you have the rate and once you have the estimated GNPI from the previous year, you will be able to find the deposit premium. And also, under fixed rate method, in the beginning of the year, insurer is also required to set a minimum premium. At the end of the year, on December, the actual premium for the year is made known. Insurer and reinsurer can only know the actual premium at the end of the year, and in order to find out the actual premium, the insurer will apply the same rate that they have obtained at the beginning of the year times the actual GNPI for the current year. So please take note that the rate or the reinsurance premium rate used for deposit premium and the actual premium under the fixed rate method is actually the same rate. So at the end of the year, the reinsurer will compare the actual premium with the minimum premium. If the actual premium is more than the minimum premium, the insurer will have to add more premium. If the minimum premium is less than the actual premium, okay, I repeat, if the minimum premium that the insurer have to pay to the reinsurer is less than the actual premium, this actual premium will be the premium that the insurer will have to pay to the reinsurer. Okay, let's go through some of the exercise or example from the calculation. So we have an excess of loss cover, 300,000 in excess of 200,000. So you should be able to know that this 200,000 is the deductible. Loading factor given is 100/75. Minimum premium for the year has been set at 500,000, meaning that reinsurer will demand from the insurer at least 500,000 as a premium for that year. It cannot be less than that. And also, reinsurer has said that minimum deposit premium at the beginning of the year should be at least 400,000, meaning that reinsurer require on the 1st of January, insurer to place a minimum of 400,000. Okay, so this is the data, 3 years previous year data, which show us the the claims, the gross claim retention, and the GNPI for the respective year. So calculate how much is the reinsurance premium payable and premium adjustment if the actual GNPI for the year 2015 is 8 million. Okay, first, what you need to do is you want to calculate the burning cost. So remember, in order to calculate the burning cost, you need to find the claims for the layer. So we have, for example, year 2012, gross claim, annual claims for the layer. Okay, 2012, the gross claim is 350,000. So how do you know is the annual claim for the year 2012? You just simply look at the cover. So the deductible is 200,000. So we know that insurer will retain the first 200,000 and the balance is paid by the reinsurer. So the annual claim for the layer for 2012 is 150,000. So repeat the same thing with 2013. Gross claim is 500,000. So annual claim for the layer, or in other words, the total amount of claim paid by the reinsurer is 500,000 minus 200,000, 300,000. For 2014, gross claim is 250,000. Annual claim for the layer for 2014 is 250,000 minus 200,000, so 50,000. So total claim from the previous year is 500,000. So 500,000 is the total claim for the year. And total GNPI from the previous 3 years is 2012, 2013, 2014. So total GNPI is for 2012, 12 million. 2013, 15 million. And 2014, 12.5 million. So just sum up the whole 3 years GNPI, you will get 3.950 million. So BC is actually, what is the formula for BC? Okay, burning cost is total claims divided by total GNPI times loading factor. So we know that total claims is 500,000. We put a bracket here. 500,000 divided by total GNPI 3.95, put the bracket, close the bracket, and times the loading factor. So how much is the loading factor? 100 over 75. 100, put another bracket, 100 over 75. So the burning cost or the pure burning cost is 0.0168. So you know that reinsurance premium rate is equal to 0.0168 times 100. It's going to be 1.687. Okay, now we have our reinsurance premium rate given. So let's calculate how much is the deposit premium. Remember, the formula for deposit premium is the rate times estimated GNPI from the previous year. So the rate is 1.7%. So we take it 0.016, 0.016 times estimated GNPI. So look for the last closest year to the current year. So the current year is 2015. The closest year before 2015 is 2014. So the estimated GNPI for 2015 is 12.5 million. Why it is estimated? Because at the beginning of the year, we are not sure, or the reinsurer is not confirmed, they cannot confirm the actual GNPI, because the actual GNPI is only known at the end of December. So for at the beginning of January, to calculate deposit premium, the GNPI that they can use for deposit premium is just based on estimation of the previous year GNPI. So estimated GNPI is 12.5 million times 12.5 million. Okay, so this is the deposit premium. So compare with minimum deposit premium. How much is minimum deposit premium? 400,000. So reinsurer says that they demand at least 400,000 as a deposit premium at the beginning of the year. And from the calculation that we have just done, the deposit premium is 210,970, meaning that 210,970 is smaller than 400,000. So which one should be the deposit premium? Is it 210,970 or 400,000? If you compare, the minimum deposit premium demand by the insurer is 400,000 and the actual calculation is 210,000. Definitely, the minimum should be the minimum here should be the deposit premium. So at the beginning of the year, the deposit premium is 400,000. So you cannot take this amount as the deposit premium because this amount is less than the minimum deposit premium required by the reinsurer. So 400,000 will be the deposit premium at the beginning of the year. Okay, once we have the deposit premium, we want to calculate the actual premium for 2015. So actual premium is using this rate times the actual GNPI of the current year. So from the question, we know that the actual GNPI for the current year is 8 million, meaning that at the end of the year, the actual GNPI is known, which is 8 million. So with that, the reinsurer can calculate the actual premium that the insurer will have to pay. So take this rate times the actual GNPI, which is 8 million. So we have obtained the actual premium for 2015. So what we have to do next is to compare this actual premium with the minimum premium demanded by the reinsurer. Remember, at the end of the year, compare the actual premium with the minimum premium. So the minimum premium is 500,000. Compare minimum premium with the actual premium. So again, minimum premium is 500,000. $500,000 is bigger than 135,021. So what does that mean? Okay, minimum premium is the premium, the minimum premium that the insurer demand from the insurer at the end of the year. So if reinsurers say that they require at least 500,000, insurer will have to pay 500,000. But the actual premium is 135, which is less than the minimum premium. So the actual premium for 2015 is actually 500,000, not 135,000. 135,000 cannot be the actual premium because it is less than the minimum premium. So actual premium for the year 2015 is 500,000. So our last step is to do premium adjustment. So premium adjustment is done at the end of the year. Because why the premium need to be adjusted? Because at the beginning of the year, insurer has already placed a deposit premium of 400,000. And at the end of the year, they actually paid actual premium of 500,000. So, minimum premium, deposit premium that the insurer has paid at the beginning of the year is 400,000, but actually, the actual premium is 500,000. So 500,000, which is the actual premium, minus the deposit premium that the insurer has paid at the beginning of the year, is equal to 100,000. So insurer needs to add another 100,000 at the end of the year because they have already paid 400,000 at the beginning of the year, and at the end of the year, knowing that the actual premium is 500,000, they have to add another 100,000. So that is how you calculate the rate for the non-proportional reinsurance using the fixed rate method, and the steps involved in the calculations of the premium for the year.